Welcome back, everybody. This time we have this exciting box of Tronxy PETG transparent orange filament to review. Let's get to it. All right, as you can see, pretty plain box. Not much on it. Not much on it. Not much on it. What do we have here? It says Tronxy transparent orange PETG. And the other sticker says PETG 3D printer filament transparent orange. And that is it. So let's break it open, see what's inside. All right, nothing in the box. Appears to be sealed nicely. Doesn't look crushed anywhere. A little sucked in over here. All right. Not resealable bag. Oh, it's got the holes. There we go. There we go. They gave us 2 silica gel bags. There we have it. Go to the smell test. Smells like PETG. Nothing special, no weird smells, no spiciness. Doesn't smell orange. All right. So the first thing I can tell off the bat is if you look at that winding, that is not pretty. That is not pretty at all. That is all over the place. So that's a bit of concern. Nothing on the back. I like the spool. All right, so on the sticker it says Tronxy transparent orange PETG 1.75 millimeter. Printing temp 220 to 250, 1 kilogram. That's pretty much it. The SKU number. Color's pretty close to what I'm seeing on camera. It is a nice transparent. It looks like weed eater trim. Let's pull it out here. All right, off the get-go, it feels good. Doesn't want to break anywhere. Yeah, that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Cut some of that off. All right. Time for the size test. See what we get here. 1.6, which we know on these cheap calipers is 1.7, 1.6, 1.6, 1.7, 1.6. It feels smooth. 1.6. Yep, so dimensional accuracy seems to be on pretty well. All right, so I'll show you the ad listing I got for this guy. We got it over here off of Amazon. It was actually cheaper than listed here. Actually, no, it's more expensive. It's gone on sale. I think it says $18.99 now. I paid like $22. I'm not sure why I bought this. I think it was the fact that I hadn't ever tried any Tronxy filament, and I've had 2 other printers. One's doing pretty well, so we will take our test models, throw this on the printer, and we'll be back here in just a moment with our 3 tests, and we'll see how it does. So we'll be back in just 1 second. All right, we're back. Let's check out the results of this Tronxy transparent orange PETG. All right, we're going to use this super fancy land box they sent it in. First off, previous calibration cube and the transparent orange. I like it. Looks absolutely perfect. I'm trying to use this box to give this camera a little better focus, but it is definitely not going to work. But this stuff, absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Every edge is absolutely square. Everything's sharp. No stringing. Absolutely perfect. Guess it'd help if I keep it in the camera shot. That's how perfect it is. I'm amazed. All right, let's get that out of the way. Next, we go on to Stacko Kitties. There's a previous different brand, transparent yellow, which I really liked as well. This actually gave me a little bit of issues. I actually see a little bit right on the feet. Y'all aren't going to be able to see it, but I can. But still printed excellent. But this guy, perfect. Perfect, 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 absolutely perfect. Feet are perfectly defined. I think y'all can see that, just how well defined the feet are. Bottom of the tail, where I normally have some cooling issues. I printed all of this at 225 with the 55 heat bed with the fan on at 100%. I usually start PETG on 0, and then about the 10th layer it starts to kick up. But 100% from the get-go at 100 millimeters a second, and absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I was absolutely sure this guy would fail. After the cube came out, I was like, maybe, but this will be the breaker. No, absolutely perfect. It's beautiful. All right, then over to the benchies. Here's another previous. And a transparent yellow PETG. Once again, I don't remember who that was. Little issues with some bridging right in there. Just a couple of hairs of stringing in a few spots, but besides that, I'm happy. Really nice. But then we get to this one, which is the one we're interested in. Absolutely perfect. I'm shocked, really. Really quite shocked. Back looks good. Porthole's good. I think I only see like one little nub of some stringing right there. I believe these were at 7 millimeter retraction on a Bowden. Didn't bother trying to tune it. Just beautiful. Read the bottom. I don't know if y'all can. But absolutely perfect. So really surprising results. Really surprising results. I thought of any filament, Tronxy was going to be iffy. Sorry guys, I'm looking down into the spool now, and I'm seeing something I did not see before. Although I don't think it matters, but we're gonna see. I don't know if you guys can see that. Y'all see that? Every once in a while it looks like flecks of dust. That's not flecks of dust. And once again, that's their spooling. That is little bitty bubbles in the filament. That is interesting. So I think we're going to have to get further into the spool to see what happens. After the last spool were printed great, and then I got into some, obviously some wet filament further into the spool, but that's very interesting. So yeah, there are little bitty bubbles. They kind of line up. I don't feel a texture on them, so I don't think it's from the spooling machine. No, that really looks like little bubbles inside of there. Okay, well, there we go. There we got it. Tronxy, transparent orange, PETG. Results speak for themselves. Printed absolutely perfect. I couldn't ask for anything better. Or it's easy. I didn't have to restart any. I didn't have any bed adhesion issues. Zero problems. So, super happy. It does seem it has gone up in price since I originally bought this. I believe I paid like $18.99 a spool, and now it's at like $21.99. I mean, not a huge increase, but every dollar counts. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to print with this, but definitely something. It's just too cool looking. So, y'all, try it out. If somebody else has, let me know what kind of results you got. If you had a different color, once again, maybe colors might be an issue with this filament. We'll find out. Yeah, not the best deal. Right in the average price range, but the results are just, yeah, I'm so happy with that. I don't know why today this camera decides to look its best it's ever has. That might have to be my go-to camera. Okay, so y'all let me know. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Have a good one.